Are you currently building a car? Do you spend thousands of dollars on car parts? Would you like to make that money back and then some? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to leverage your build and the car parts that you buy in order to make massive profits and even cover the build itself. If you watched my last video on affiliate marketing, you will now have an understanding as to what that is, how the process works, and the amount of effort it takes to make money passively. If you have not watched that video yet, I suggest you do. It will be linked right here. In that video, we covered one of the affiliate channels called the Amazon Associates program. We were able to source automotive parts on Amazon, link those parts, market those parts, and make some money. A little over $8,000 per year to be exact. Now, these are small ticket items, so you have to sell in extremely large quantities in order to make a decent income only using Amazon. This is why we need to expand our mindset and consider the other companies that are out there that are currently making the car parts that we use on our own builds. The trick here is to only choose a few of the largest distributors. We need to establish relationships with those companies and seek out their affiliate programs. Some people don't know this, but most companies offer affiliate programs that anyone can join for free, and it only takes about 10 minutes to sign up. If you are making money, then they are making money. This is going to be a win-win situation for all parties involved. And that is why affiliate marketing for most companies is a no-brainer. If a company does not offer an affiliate program, ask them to consider one and educate them on what that entails. Now, this really only makes sense if you're going to be marketing many of their parts. If it's for one or two parts, it's likely going to be too much of a hassle for the both of you. You have to think big here. The more parts that they offer in one place, the more beneficial that your relationship is going to be in the future as you continue to make more sales for them. It also makes the link setup process extremely easy. Everything is going to be neat and organized in one place. It is also important to consider the company's reputation that you will be working with so that your audience has a good experience shopping with them and continues to use the links from your build sheets. You are in many ways a representative of that company, so you want your recommendations to hold a higher level of customer satisfaction. If you have experienced issues with quality or shipping, for example, it's probably not a good idea to work with this company long term. So once you have been approved for the company's affiliate program, it's time to generate some affiliate links so that you can share them with your audiences. Every company uses a different program to do this. Typically, it is a third-party program such as GoF Pro, Rakuten, Affiliately, or Impact, just to name a few. Inside of each program, there are marketing tools and link generator tools. These link generators allow you to copy a direct link from a product, convert that link to an affiliate link, and then shorten that link so you can go ahead and use it and make commissions. Each company will be a little bit different, but that is the overall gist of it. Now, the majority of car parts are rather expensive, but this is actually good for those of us that want to make a decent profit marketing these parts. Higher ticket items are always going to bring you higher profits. You have to think of yourself as a modern day online auto parts salesman and use this mentality to come up with good techniques to market the parts that you choose to your audiences. Go ahead and ask yourself the basics here. What parts are currently on my car? Make a list. What parts do I intend on buying in the future? Add to that list. What is the benefit of each part? Determine the value. Why am I selecting a certain part manufacturer? Quality versus cost. And lastly, how do I go about installing the part? This is where you'll be teaching others. These are the basics when you are going to market those parts. Do so individually using written blogs, YouTube long-form videos, and short-form videos like Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. There are many strategies to market these products, but these are just the basics that I suggest getting started with today. Before doing any marketing, however, I want you to make a list of every part that you currently use and every part that you intend on using in the future on your current and past builds. These lists are going to change many times, and that's okay. We just want to get started. So I like to use Google Sheets to keep things organized because it's free and easy to use. Google Sheets allows me to save that document in the cloud and share that link publicly with anyone and everyone. I can also manage the permissions of that document, so I am the only person that can make changes to the document. When I make a change or a addition to any links in my build sheet, it is done globally. That way I don't have to go find a million individual links and update them manually one by one. This can become a massive time suck when you are trying to manage all of your affiliate links, especially as you start to build up these sheets and you begin to have a lot of links. The Google Sheet just makes things easier and it's properly organized. Here is a bird's eye view of these sheets and how I use them with my social media profiles. So right here, you're going to see me, you're going to see my socials, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Linktree, and then you'll see the direct link to the build sheet, and then you'll see the mods inside of the build sheet, as well as the affiliate links, and then lastly, the commissions. Here is an actual example of one of my build sheets. This is the F87 M2 build, and the layout is very simple. Do not overcomplicate this. Keep things very basic and simple so everyone of all skill levels can understand what they are looking at. You'll see that I break this document up into sections. Feel free to copy mine exactly or go ahead and make your own. Personally, I think this setup is very straightforward and easy for others to digest. So we have the first column displaying what the part is. We have the second column using a direct affiliate link to each product. The third column is showing the cost, and the last column has a link to each video that shows the DIY or install of each part. You'll likely have to add these later as you have not marketed them yet, or maybe you have, that's even better. So let's take a look at why this layout works. We are helping people who want to use similar parts on their own personal builds. That is the list. We are showing them what they can expect to spend. That is the cost. We are providing a direct link to each product. This eliminates any sort of searching that they have to do for the part. And lastly, we are showing them why and how to use the product. We are teaching them. This strategy works. You are providing others with direct value up front. And if they choose to use your link, that compensates you for your efforts, but it is never to be expected. Remember, your focus here is to help others and provide value. Remain focused on that and the commissions will come naturally in the future. Now, using Google Docs is one of the many methods we can utilize to make commissions while marketing automotive parts. This also serves as a great way to budget your own build and know exactly what it is going to take to build your dream setup. Bigger builds are going to be expensive, so prepare yourself. Once you have begun to build out your lists, you will want to link them into your social media profiles. For Instagram, I like to use Linktree and directly link each build sheet onto the tree. This way, when I create a call to action, I can simply tell people to check my Linktree for the build sheets. I have people on a daily basis asking me where I got a certain part, what size my wheels are, how do I install the parts, and what did a certain build cost. All of these questions are answered with one single link to my build sheet. And many times, those people will become customers while using your links. They will also love the fact that you are not a gatekeeper. Apparently, some people do that in this community, but I have never quite understood why. So they will appreciate you more for doing this because you are helping them and providing value. For YouTube, I like to link the specific build sheet down in the description and let my viewers know if they're interested in any of the parts that I used on my builds. I will have that link down below for them. Lots of people will even save the sheet links as a rubric for their own builds. It will certainly help if you have an audience because that is more eyeballs on what you are doing. However, it is not essential. Today, it is easier than ever to reach millions of people without a following. You have to get clever with the way that you generate and deliver your content. I personally find that short form content is absolutely crushing it right now. So I'm focusing on individual short length videos with a call to action inside of the video or even the caption. The long form videos will always provide more value, but the short form videos can be entertaining and quick without requiring a massive time investment from the viewer. Attention spans are getting shorter and shorter these days, so it's really good to focus on all methods. If you are an automotive enthusiast and you are looking to make money, this is a fantastic way to do so. I make more money using affiliate marketing techniques than any other source of income. This is because I am consistent, I am thorough, and I understand that this is a long game. It takes time and it takes patience. But if you absolutely love what you do, it is 100% worth it. In the future videos, we will dive into more strategies and techniques that I personally use to make affiliate income with automotive parts. There are a ton. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and drop a like down below. It helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and consider picking up some merch to support my efforts. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.